Hi guys. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss how to place anything into perspective in Photoshop using the Vanishing Point Filter. I already opened the required files here. First, create new layer above the main image. And copy the image which need to place into the perspective. Then, go to Filter menu, and choose Vanishing Point. Create points. Adjust the vanishing points, if required. Then, paste image here, which I copied before. Drag the image into the vanishing points. Transform the image for perfect fit. For fine-tune, double-click the layer. In the section of underlying layer, use Alt key for adjustments. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.